In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to install and configure BuddyPress for Sensei. So before we begin, I'm going to assume that you've already purchased and installed Sensei and created some courses and some lessons. And then you will also need to install and activate the BuddyPress plugin. And if you would like to have forums with your courses, you would also want to install and set up BBPress. So here we are, I've got BBPress, BuddyPress, and Sensei, and then I've also activated our plugin BuddyPress for Sensei. So let's go ahead on the front end, and you can see we have a course set up, and we also have a group I've created with the same name called How to Play the Piano. So the first thing we're going to do here is connect our course with our group. So we can do this in at the group, or we can do it in the admin as well. So I'm going to do it from the admin. I'm going to go to courses and click to edit our course. And for course group, you can see my group shows up, and I'm going to go ahead and connect them. Okay. So now when I view the course, we have a new button that says Course Discussions. So I'm going to go ahead and click that, and that takes us to the activity page of our group. And you'll notice our group before did not have an avatar. If it had an avatar, it would have kept it, but because it didn't have an avatar, we went ahead and pulled in the featured image from our course, and we created a forum automatically called How to Play the Piano, and we added a course tab to your group that shows the lessons that are part of your course. And I'm the only user on this demo site, but if I had multiple users, they would have automatically been brought in and shown in our member list. And so that's how you tie a course to a group. Now, as the owner of this group, I'm going to go ahead and click Manage, and I'll go to Course Settings. And from here, we can adjust a couple of things. So for one thing, we could tie it to a different course if we wanted to. And we can also select which activity we want to display in the group from our course. So I could go ahead and check all of these. And what will happen now is if a new user comes and completes the course, or if the teacher adds a new lesson to the course, or someone completes a lesson, someone passes a quiz, etc., there will be items added to the activity stream showing that these actions just happened in our group. So right now we're looking at the members directory, and you can see we have 3 members: Steve Robinson, admin, and Bob Jones here. And if I click on teachers, you can see there's one teacher, Bob, and there's one student, Steve, and the admin is not assigned as a teacher or a student, he's an admin. And so you can see the plugin has added a way to filter between the different Sensei types in your members directory. So right now I'm logged in as Steve. So let's go back to that course we created called How to Play the Piano. And I'm going to go ahead and start taking this course. Okay, now it's in progress. I'm in the course, and I've gotten access to the group. So let's click that. And now you'll notice that the group shows 3 members. I'm going to show you one more thing, which is the BuddyPress Messaging feature. So right now, BuddyPress Messaging is turned off. So if I click Contact Course Teacher, you'll see it takes me to Sensei's built-in messaging system. Now, we're going to go ahead and activate private messaging. BuddyPress has its own messaging system, so you don't want to have 2 different messaging systems in the same website. So now if you click this button, you can see it has redirected us into our BuddyPress Compose message screen,